Completely safe to find now. I'm back. This is good. This is a good job for me. I get to show the people who are watching this video how to scrape out the...
See, I did it with my bare teeth. You're using a tool.
My glasses are fogging up because I've got a mask on. Take the mask off? Listen to what we're gonna... It's a good idea. He used his teeth. I'm tempted. Arrgh. Pretend to use my teeth. Arrgh. Just like rip it out. That's kind of fun in there, getting in there. Oh. Yay, I'm making something. It is coming along. I see the bottom. There's another little bit right here, I think. Maybe. I don't know, I suppose maybe I should compare it. See, I don't see a little tab. Oh, I just got it off. Good, good, good. That looks good. All of it. Maybe this probably could be better. This is a screw thing. It screws on. So it's important that at least I'm like literally feeling it with my fingernail. That feels pretty good. Alright, there's one. And he said we were going to divide it up into 3 parts. The video. He's not around, so I guess I'll keep going. Alright. This one is next. Alright. And I'm supposed to make this one look like this one, sort of. Look at all this wild tendril stuff. Oh, it's so much fun. This is the filament. Alright. So my job is to remove all this like extra stuff. But I have to be careful. Alright. Ooh. You can also use your fingers. That's good. Ooh, it's coming apart somehow. Wow, this is amazing. Ooh. This is... I remember like genuinely having fun doing this. Alright, I don't want to spread that. I mean, I'm tempted to. So this stuff has to come off. It's just amazing to think, like, how is the machine that prints this, the Prusa 3D printer, right? How is it programmed to make this, to then turn into this? I feel like I'm doing archaeology. It's also kind of like a puzzle. Ooh, like, how do we do this without destroying it, right? And be gentle. But not too gentle, else it'll never come off. You just have, I guess you just trust the process. You trust that you can't mess it up. And I guess technically, if I do mess it up, you'll see how I messed it up, and then you'll know, uh-oh, not to do that. Well, so I went uh-oh because I felt like it was going too far too fast. I don't know if it is. Probably not. Oh, see, I'm supposed to make it look like that at the end. This little circle of the bit. Aren't these amazing? Oh, alright. Like, let's keep going. I'm sure there's got to be a way to, like, take it off at a big part, and then, like, the whole thing comes out. There's something very zen about also just doing it gently and methodically. Not that I'm being methodical. Yeah. Oh look, a new thing. A new little bit. Reminds me of a tank tread. Maybe I'm supposed to, should. Wood energy. It's very bright. I hear someone approaching, but if I look up, I see Dave. Hello. I think I might still be recording, but I went right into this first.
Oh.
So now I'm into the second one.
All right, I'm just going to stop it.